Good afternoon. Today we're going to be making, hopefully, fries. I can't call them French fries because we're in England, so English fries, or chips as we call them, in lard. So, oh, Mr. Crow, you'll do. I don't mean we're going to cook Mr. Crow, I mean this will do. Right, so I think they're about the right size. Let's get a couple of these done. Can you see that? Alright. They are, I suppose they are quite fry size, aren't they? Excuse my big hands in the way. A bit bigger. And then last one, I think that's enough. I was going to do a couple of spuds, but I don't think they need to. Let me come out a little bit. We're in the woods, but by God, we're right by that road is about a mile away, so they must be hammering it. Anyway, that's beside the point. That's not our problem. Right, so there we go. We've got our chips ready. I'm going to just damp them down on a bit of paper to make sure they're really dry, and we're going to get the pan ready. Okay, so it's just smoking a little bit. You don't want to put them all in because this is why you're drying, because if you don't and they get a lot of moisture. Ooh, there we go, look at that. Ooh, be careful. That is hot. Woo. Be ultra vigilant. I'm not being a wuss, but that was hot. Right, get them all in. You can't put too many in there. I mean, you can't put too many in there. Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. So I'll leave that one like that. Okay. Then I'll turn it down a little bit. And see how we get on. Woohoo! Chips in the wood. How about that? Okay, let's check them and flip them over. Oh, look at that. I don't care. Turning over one by one. That's so satisfactory. Look at that. I won't do them all so you can see, but oh look, I left the skin on, by the way. Some of the ones in the middle are not as cooked, so it's on medium heat, should I say? All right. But look at them. Oh, that looks amazing. We'll do the knife test later. That's when you poke them with a knife and it goes through very easily. You know your chip's done. If anybody was thinking that. Did I do them? I think I did, didn't I? Right, I'll carry on carrying these and turning them, and then we'll come back to you. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. Let me just show you another closer. Yep, cooking them in lard. If anybody says like, oh, you won't get fat, that won't make you fat. Fat does not make you fat. Massive carbohydrates make you fat. Fat doesn't. Your body just knows what to do with that and it uses it really well. There we go. Look at them. They're looking amazing. How beautiful and brown they are. Look at that. Onto paper. Oh, look. A bit hot, but amazing. Come on, you can't tell me that your mouth is not watering. Look at that. Look at the size of the thing. It's got to be over, what, inch and a quarter? I'm eating these because I'm hungry. And I can't wait. They're really nice. Yummy. Look at the crackling! Look at the crackling!